Hello everyone. So hope you all are doing well. So in the continuation from the previous series, so we will today have a new question. We are solving the questions of 1990 GATE Chemical Engineering. So today we have a new question. So I will write here, that is 1990 section A, question 7, part second. Okay. So this is for chemical reaction engineering, and the topic is ideal reactors. I'm just written in short form. Ideal reactors. Okay. So without wasting time, we will solve the question. So what question is saying? What is the exit conversion of reactant A for a zero order reaction taking place in a CSTR? So very first we will make a CSTR. We all know how CSTR looks like. So the continuous state tank reactor. Actually, if you want to know about CSTR, then it is a continuous flow reactor. Continuously feed gets in and goes out, and the reaction is taking place with the help of the stirrer to make a uniform concentration. If you will take any sample from inside the reactor, the concentration will be uniform. So what the question is saying, for a zero order reaction. So very first, our reactant, I'll write here, reactant A is going in with a concentration of Ca0 is equal to 1 mole per liter. So we have to check the units. Unit, taking care of the unit in the gate is very important. So we need to check the units as well. And wherever we return the numerical value, we along with the numerical value we will write the unit also to cross check whether all the units are cutting or not. And what we want to what actually question wants to find out, has the same unit. What is the exit conversion of a reactor for a zero order reaction taking place CST with the following data? तो हमें डेटा दिया हुआ है, CA0 दिया है हमें, ठीक है, हमें दिया है VA0 दिया है, that is volumetric flow rate VA0 1 mole per liter, sorry, 1 liter per minute, not mole. It is in volumetric flow rate, so it should be in liter per minute. Okay. And volume of the reactor, we have volume of reactor is equal to 1 liter, and rate constant K is equal to 1 mole per minute liter. So value of the rate constant is generally we write is equal to time inverse concentration 1 minus n. So n equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2. What could be the n? Just put the value here. You will get the unit of the K. For like if I take example from these questions, so we have n equal to 0 because it is a zero order reaction. N is the order of the reaction. So K is equal to time inverse. Time is in minute inverse concentration 1 minus n. Concentration 1 minus n. So 1 will be there. So minute will inverse, that will go down, and concentration, that is की power 1 mole per liter. So mole per liter. So that is the unit we have. See, this is the unit we have. Okay, right, mole per minute liter. So this is the way to find the units of rate constant. Now going ahead in the question, so we have to find the conversion in the reactor. So applying performance equation of CSTR. So what is the performance equation of CSTR? So it is tau is equal to, that is space time, V upon V naught, volume upon volumetric flow rate is equal to CA naught XA, CA naught XA upon minus RA. Okay. CA naught XA upon minus RA. So we need to find XA. Suppose in the question it is written we have a initial conversion also. The reactant is partially converted. So suppose we have X naught here and X1 and we have to find X1. So the reactant is partially converted. So the performance equation change like that. Tau is equal to V upon V naught is equal to CA naught XA1 minus XA naught, where XA1 is the concentration conversion of this XA1, okay, upon minus RA, right? So this will the equation if the feed is partially converted. Now putting all the values, V upon V naught, volume is 1 liter, 1. So we will write the units as well, 1 liter. Volumetric flow rate is 0.5, sorry, not 1. Volumetric flow rate is 0.5 liter per minute. Okay. Liter per minute. So we will write here 0.5 liter per minute. So minute will go up is equal to CA naught is 1 mole per liter into, we have to find the conversion. So XA1, X naught is 0 because feed is not converted. So X naught is 0. So X naught is 0 upon minus RA. So minus RA is minus RA rate of the reaction, how the reaction is converting is zero order reaction, K C in to the power n, but n equal to 0. So minus RA will be equal to K, which is already we have 1 mole per minute liter, right? So liter will cancel out, minute will cancel out, the liter will cancel out, mole will cancel out. Now remaining is X1. We have to find XA1. So no unit is remaining because XA1 has no unit. Conversion has no unit. That's why. So now solving 1 upon 0.5 is equal to 1 into XA upon 1, that is XA1. So it is 2. XA1 is 2. So the conversion is, according to the question, conversion is 200%. Right? Conversion is 200%. But here is the trick. XA, that is a conversion of A, B, C, D. A does not mean that, it is just symbol of representing the reactant. If A, then we will put A, then B, then we will put B. If C, then we will put C. So XA never exceeds 1 or 100%. So the answer will be 100%. Is 100%. So this is one of the most important questions where in from the gate point of view, and hope you understood it well. If you have any confusion and doubt, just comment it below. I'll reply as soon as possible. Okay. So thank you guys, and take care. Take care of your parents also. Bye guys. Bye bye.